It is 6:48 on your Friday morning, St. Patrick's Day. Unfortunately, we are tracking somewhat of a stormy day for us. Now, the good news this morning, if you're getting out at this hour, we're quiet in the city, and I think we're going to get through the whole morning commute without any big problems. North of the lake, not the case, and it's really north of I-12. We've got an area of rain heading to the east here, and this will continue to spread over portions of the North Shore. Could produce some wind gusts upwards of about 30 miles an hour if you are getting some of the rain. So that's where we've got the rain this morning. Here's what I'm watching for the South Shore as we get into later this morning. The tail end line of these storms, and there is quite a bit of lightning and thunder in these. That's heading our way, and it's going to take about 2 to 3 more hours before it really gets to our local area. So let's walk you through the timing here. Rain is mainly north of the lake through the rest of this morning for the next couple of hours. Once we get to the 9 and 10 o'clock hour, that's when we start to see it approach from Morgan City to Thibodaux up through the river parishes, getting to LaPlace. So that's in about 3 hours. Once we get towards the 10 and 11 o'clock hour, notice storms starting to get closer to the city here, and then continue to sweep on through for areas like Slidell and the Mississippi coast. This initial round will pose a low risk for some strong storms, mainly damaging winds. The tornado risk is very low, but it's not zero. We'll watch it, but it is low with this round of storms coming in. Immediately behind this heavy rain, still some showers continuing through the middle of the afternoon, 2, 3 o'clock, but it's getting colder and windy. So while it's warm this morning or mild, it's going to be cold and windy this afternoon. How much rain are we talking about? A good 1 inch seems like a good bet for most people, but there will likely be a few isolated higher totals. Flooding's not going to be a major issue, but could see some pockets of localized street flooding. Watch what our temperatures do. We warm up for the next couple of hours, up to around 74, 75, and then temperatures tumble through the afternoon, dropping into the 50s. Strong winds will make it feel colder than the 50s, and if you're going to be out tonight, we're in the 40s. Take a look at our coldest temperatures in the 7-day. I've got a freeze for you. This is Sunday night into Monday morning. Plan on a light freeze north of the lake, west of the lake, even some frost down here in the bayou parishes. Here in the city, we could even see some upper 30s. So winter, not done with this just yet, and by the way, that will be for the first day of spring. It will be a cold start. The weekend as a whole, not great. 52 and windy tomorrow with some showers. Tomorrow's going to be cold and windy, and we are going to have some showers around. Sunday looks drier, but still chilly in the 50s, and then we will begin a gradual warm up as we head into the middle of next week.